Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp. Click here and you need to update your WhatsApp. Once you update, you need to go back and you need to open WhatsApp. As you can see, I already log in into my one account. Then you simply need to click on three dots, click on settings. Here you can see plus icon, click on that, and in the bottom you can see an option of add account. So one account is added, you simply need to click on that and you need to add another WhatsApp account here, and after that you can use two WhatsApp in one WhatsApp. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.